viewers, I'm here for Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2016 Toyota Levin Smart Key.
We need to prepare K518 Pro. OBD communication cable. 8A all lost harness. 8A all lost harness adapter. New key. Open the fuse box. Unplug the relay. Connect to our 8A all lost harness. Remove the steering wheel screws. Open the cover. Unplug the lock. Connect our 8A speed limit F5 plug. Connect the S7 plug to our adapter. Plug a full plug into the OBD port on our car. Connect device OBD cable. Select IMMO and remote. Find Toyota. Select from type. IMMO. Select type 8A. 8A IMMO8A generate master key by OBD. The connection is completed. Adapter does not need to be upgraded. Click OK. It is normal that the anti-theft light will light up during the process. OK. Data is completed. Follow the prompts to operate. The first key. Place the key to be generated in the device's card slot. Key generation successful. Restore the wiring harness. Chip programming complete. Let's program the remote control again and choose to return. Select the remote. Type 2. Select Program Remote. Turn on the ignition. Click OK. Open the main driver's door. Click OK. Press and hold the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 2 seconds. Then press the lock button again. Click OK when done. Program complete. OK. Key program successful. Now let's try it. Can the key drive normally? Hit the brakes. Insert key. Key to the car successfully. Let's try again to see if the remote control works. Lock the car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2016 Toyota Levin. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate. Don't spread ahead.